Sanjiangyuan is the world's largest national park, 14 times the size of Yellowstone in America. It's also situated at the highest altitude and home to some of the most critically endangered species on the planet. So with that in mind, I'm embarking on a little adventure to check out the conservation efforts at work here. Over the decades, human activity and climate change left waters polluted and many animal species endangered. But as home to the headwaters of the Yellow, Yangtze, and Lancang rivers, as well as hundreds of plant and animal species, many unique to the Qinghai Tibetan Plateau, the Chinese government recognized a critical need to conserve this area. When Sanjiangyuan was established as a pilot park in 2016, the Chinese government recognized it needed to conserve more than floral and fauna. They also had to be mindful of the local nomadic people who have called the plateau home for generations.
Oh,
When you heard this area was going to be turned into a national park, what were your thoughts about that?
县里、乡里都说，爸爸可以合格当那个管理员。主要工作是保护这个环境。
What changes or progress have you seen since this became a protected area?
国家公园建立以后，那个雪豹的增量多了很多。目前有了80多只雪豹，80多，就红外相机拍到了，拍到了雪豹、金钱豹，还有熊。
Work of this nature is not without its dangers. Rangers encounter wild animals, extreme weather conditions, but many feel the reward is worth the risk. What makes you proud to be a rancher and a ranger here?
爸爸说他觉得他那个放红外相机，然后他拍到了动物的时候，到乡里去，然后上水给他们开会，然后他看到自己拍的照片，觉得很高兴。
Chen is a biological conservationist with Sanshui Conservation Center, a Chinese NGO that had been carrying out research in the Sanjiangyuan area since 2009.
这一面就是我们的人兽冲突的调查的情况，我们去入户走访，然后看牧民对各种像雪豹、狼、金钱豹、棕熊他们的态度，了解他们遭受的损失的情况，怎么样可以有哪些方式来防止这种损失。
The Sanshui Conservation Center supports the community by assisting the local people to become rangers, proud caretakers of their land under the provisions of the National Park System.
国家公园建设中，怎么样让当地的人能够更好的参与和受益到其中？对，这个也是我们关心的一个议题。说如果说这些保护的成果能够更好的给他们带来一些收益，就像总书记说的，能够把绿水青山转化成金山银山，那我们觉得可能是国家公园一个非常好的体现。
And on the recommendation of advisors such as Sanshui Conservation Center, the one household, one post policy was adopted. Talk to me about some of the partnerships or the cooperation between the center and the local people.
就我们会培训他们怎么样去放红外相机，你怎么样去有一些生计发展的这些方式。我们工作站也就一直在村里嘛，然后我们会了解他们的生活，建立起一个双方都信任的关系。
What are some of the ways that you and your organization have proposed that happen?
我们将整个昂塞乡划分成5乘5公里的网格，然后布设红外相机。这些目前已经有98台左右的红外相机布设在整个昂塞乡的范围内。那同时有93名左右的当地的牧民作为牧民监测员来管理和维护这些红外相机。
And are you
hopeful for the future of the conservation efforts here in Sanjiangyuan and why?
这里的人他们其实非常的热爱他们这里的土地，因为他们的传统文化，他们也会认为所有的野生动物它都是值得去保护的，而不仅仅是说政策要求我去保护。所以他们每一个内心其实都是非常希望能够把这一片土地更好的保留给他们的子孙后代。后代能够仍然有这一片丰茂的草场，有这些野生动物生活在这里，能够共存下去。
Since the establishment of the park, the population of Tibetan antelopes has risen from fewer than 20,000 to more than 70,000. The number of bird species has increased from 30 to 138, and water conservation in the area has risen by 6% every year. Grassland coverage and cultivation have risen by more than 11% and 30% compared to 10 years ago.
The ecosystem of Sanjiangyuan National Park is as magnificent as it is delicate, but conservationists at the national and local levels are working hard to ensure that its beauty is preserved for future generations.